Happy New Year everyone! It seems that 2026 is already starting with some incredible news, especially from the team behind Biela.dev. They just rolled out some massive updates that will seriously improve your security and supercharge your productivity. Now we're talking about two-factor authentication, a powerful new AI assistant, and so much more. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk security. Biela.dev has added two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This allows you to use a mobile app like Google Authenticator to generate a unique code that you need to enter when you log in. So now, it's not enough for someone to know your email and password. They would also need physical access to your phone. This adds a powerful extra layer of security, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to gain unauthorized access to your account and your projects. It's a simple step that provides huge peace of mind. Another great security feature is session tracking. Let's say you were working on a project, took a break, and you want to double check your account's activity. Now you can. Just go on your profile page, find session tracking, and you'll see a clear history of when you last connected, from what IP address, and from what device. This is fantastic for spotting any suspicious activity right away and gives you a clear record of your own work sessions. Now let's get to the updates that will completely change the way you build. First, Biela.dev revamped this project import method. You can now import projects from other vibe coding platforms like V0, Bolt, Lovable, Replit, and much more. Imagine you just started a project on Lovable. You love the design, but you want to use Biela's new features. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch and spending more money, you can just download your projects from Lovable, go to import project on Biela.dev and upload it. In just a few minutes, your entire project is transferred. This is a game changer because it saves you time, money, and frees you from being locked into a single platform. Another incredible update is that Biela.dev can now build your backend for you using Python. For anyone who isn't a developer, think of it like this. The front end is the beautiful storefront of your website that customer sees. The backend, on the other hand, is the warehouse, the office, and the brain of the operation. This handles all the complex stuff like managing user accounts, processing data, and connecting to other services. Using Python for this is extremely powerful, especially for bigger, more complex projects. This feature opens up a whole new world of possibilities of what you can build on the platform. Last, but certainly not least, Biela.dev has introduced a live AI assistant that will revolutionize your workflow. It has two distinct modes to help you out: Builder and Thinker. First is the Builder mode. This is your hands-on AI partner for complete project development. It gives you full control over files, databases, and the entire deployment process. It can take your project from a simple idea all the way to a live website. It even integrates with Content Studio to generate AI images, and it has advanced features like creating a project roadmap or giving you terminal access. It's basically the powerhouse for getting things done. Then you have the Thinker mode. This mode is optimized for high-level strategy, planning, and brainstorming. It's ultra-light, using 70 to 80% fewer resources, which means your conversations can go on much longer before hitting any limits. Thinker is perfect for when you need to brainstorm ideas, refine your prompts, or plan out your project architecture without the overhead of the full building tools. It's basically your AI strategist.
Hey, ready to build something awesome? I can help in two ways. Want me to guide you through crafting the perfect prompt with strategic questions and brutal honesty? Or do you already have a clear vision and prefer to describe it directly?
Hey, I'm actually thinking of building a Bomberman-like game for arcade enthusiasts.
Ah, a Bomberman-like game. That sounds like a really fun project. Let's get the skeleton of the application built right away so you have a solid foundation. While that builds, we can dive deep into the strategy and advanced features. For the basic game loop, what are the core components and the style you envision? Are we talking 2D grid, pixel art, or something different?
We are talking about a pixel art game where the map is randomly generated with both destructible and undestructible objects, with enemy that moves and can place bombs. The player can place bombs, and the only way to hit or to destroy an enemy or the player is if they are hit by the bomb.
Got it! A 2D pixel art game with randomly generated maps, destructible and undestructible objects, player-placed bombs, and moving enemies that can place bombs too. That's a great start for the core mechanics. What kind of visual style are you leaning towards for the pixel art? And what's the main objective for the player?
The graphic style, I'm thinking pretty much anything about an arcade game style.
Ah, the arcade style. That gives us a classic pixel art foundation with bright colors and a clear visual hierarchy. We could also consider something like a speed boost, an extra life, or a temporary shield. But for now, let's incorporate the wooden crates with power-ups, metal pillars, throwing bombs, and bomb range power-ups into our skeleton design. I think we have enough to generate the initial game structure. How does that sound?
I like it. Let's go.
I have sent the prompt with Phase 1 implementation and the documentation.
So, to recap, enhanced security with two-factor authentication and session tracking, massive productivity boosts with project importing and Python backends, and a revolutionary new AI assistant with both a builder and a thinker mode. Biela.dev is really pushing the boundaries in 2026. What do you think of these updates? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and go check out Biela.dev for yourself. Thanks for watching.